How do I get my website to rank on Google? Getting your website to rank on Google is what we call search engine optimization. It's optimizing your website to get found by search engines like Google. It's not just Google, it's places like Bing, Yahoo. Depends on where you are in the world. You might want other platforms to promote you as well. Now, the first step is to let search engines like Google know that you exist. And we do that through something called Search Console. So for Google, you would go on Search Console, you would submit your sitemap, and that lets it know that, hi, I'm here, I have a website, these are my pages, and please start ranking me. You'd be surprised by how many websites get launched and they forget to notify Google that they exist. So months or years can go by before they get picked up and start ranking for the keywords that they spent a lot of time developing. Keywords are really important as well. You have to make sure that you are using the words that people are searching for. So Google's main job is to answer questions as quickly as possible. So if your website doesn't answer questions or doesn't have frequently asked questions or blogs that can cover a range of topics, then Google doesn't see that as a valuable resource. And so it's not going to rank you as high as some of your competitors. Also, technically, the website should be good. The code should be safe, shouldn't have any errors, and the website should load quickly, ideally in under 2 seconds anywhere in the world, so that Google knows that the people who visit the website are getting access to the information they're looking for quickly. If it's between you and your competitor and your website loads slower, your competitor will rank for that keyword instead. Lastly, what you need to rank on search engines like Google is backlinks. A backlink is just a link from another website linking to your website, and it can be anchored to a specific keyword. So for example, if you go on your favorite blog that has a recipe and it'll say, oh, you can get great tomatoes from this place, and you click on that link and it goes to a website that sells tomatoes, that's a backlink. Now, ideally, you want to have a website that has higher reputation, or what we call authority, linking back to your website, as that's going to elevate you up to their status. If you just have a lot of links from websites that aren't ranking very well, you're not going to get the benefits. The easiest ones for most people who are just starting out is to create profiles on social media accounts or local directories and get those links back to their website. And that can usually get you started with a good 50 to 100 backlinks, which will usually get you seen locally. And you don't have to wait for 6 months to a year for other organizations to start linking back to you more organically.